Hi guys, it's Mishri and
Manya Patel.
So we're here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first ever video which is going to be on my YouTube channel. So today this video is all about 5 minutes
Glam makeup challenge.
This video is all about we doing our makeup in 5 minutes, and that too not a natural makeup, not our makeup
Glam
routine,
makeup.
glam makeup. So here we have washed our faces with a face wash, and it's our clean base which we're gonna paint in 5 minutes. So here's my sister behind the camera, so she's gonna be keeping the track of
5
the time
minutes.
Yeah, she's gonna set a 5-minute timer, and she's gonna be, you know, reminding us that how much time is left. Yes, right. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So now she's setting up the timer for 5 minutes. Is the timer set?
Yes.
Okay, so
1, 2, 3, start.
okay.
Yes.
Oh my god,
Now I cannot see anything.
So now I'm
Shit.
I'm gonna be using
You say me.
primer.
You say me. I will say how much time is left.
I'm gonna be using a concealer to conceal all my blemishes.
I'm taking this primer to prime my face. Now
Okay,
I'm taking
concealer.
this concealer
Are you
from Swiss Beauty.
I'm not gonna be applying any foundation.
Me neither.
Let's conceal our spots, guys. We have to be fast. Oh, my skin is glowing, Anya.
Who's
Mine. Manu did not show them which beauty blender you are using.
I'm using this beauty blender.
So I'm gonna be baking now.
You're already baking?
Yeah.
Shit, man. Now I'm contouring
And
with wet and
1
wild
minute
contour powder.
now. 4 minutes left.
4 minutes left. Okay, Manya. Manya, only 4 minutes left. You think you can nail this?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, wait. I'm gonna shift to my eyes. So I'm gonna be using this Nicka K Poison Apple palette, and this shade. I'm gonna be using only one shade all over my lid,
And
so it gives me a
taking my nose.
nice effect. Ranshi, how much time left?
The time is just a second.
Oh, even you baked?
The time is left 3 minutes.
30 minutes?
3 minutes.
Okay, 3 minutes.
And then now
Oh my god.
I will be
Blend.
taking the same eyeshadow palette from Mishri one, and I'm taking different shades.
Oh my god, I messed up.
3 minutes left.
Okay, 3 minutes. What the babe? Dude, time's passing.
I know.
We're using the same palette, so oh, it looks good. Not that bad. Okay, so I have to hurry. Should I? Okay, sorry. You were using that. I
Yeah.
help a friend. Okay.
Thank you.
Then I'll be shifting on. Oh my god, I forgot my contour. So I'll be using Wet n Wild contour. And I'll contour my nose. Shit, what the hell? My big ass nose. I do not know why us Indians have big noses, man. Big, thick, long noses. Give us thick ass, man. Not thick nose. Okay, so we have completed. I'll complete. Oh my god. Okay,
2 minutes left.
2 minutes left, guys. I'm gonna be applying mascara on my eyelashes.
And now
Okay.
I'm applying this.
Now I'm gonna be applying highlighter. Oh shit, I messed up. No. Good part is, is this a baking?
Hurry up.
I'm taking off my baking, whatever that is called. Okay, so now I'm gonna be applying highlighter. Wet n Wild highlight in Pearl.
And now I'll
Whatever
be
it
applying
is.
highlighter
Pearl what? In Blossom Glow, not Pearl Glow.
from same
Blossom Glow.
and the lighter shade for highlighting. Take off my nose.
You think you can win? Yeah, we can win.
We both can win. Because we're bitches.
And now.
So I already applied a
1
lip balm.
minute left.
Okay, no, wait. We'll apply lip balm. I did not apply lip balm. What the hell?
1 minute left. Fast.
I like to moisturize my lips
Now
before.
I'm applying
Fast.
this.
Oh my god! I forgot to apply blush. I always use
This one is Blue Heaven.
I always use what? Lipstick for a blush because I like my blush to be a cream based blush. Okay, whatever. Now I'm gonna be using the same lipstick as my lipstick.
Fast.
How much time left?
20 seconds.
Shit.
Blend.
You not do this.
Okay. I forgot. My god, this lash is not looking that long.
Okay, 5 seconds left.
5 seconds left. What the hell? I'm
this.
done. I'm done. No, I'm done.
Done.
You did not do. Okay, the timer is off now.
Yes,
You did not apply. Oh, she did apply a lipstick. So this is our look, our glowy glam look, which we always do if we're going out.
Yes.
She's taking a picture. Wait.
Okay, so guys, do let us know who won this challenge, Mishri or me, in the comments down below.
So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel.
Yes.
I really want to grow on here.
As well as follow her on her Instagram,
On my Instagram,
ID.
the ID will be down in the description box, and even go follow Mania, this lovely lady over here. She's my best friend.
And even we did a
collab on her channel.
Yes.
I'm gonna be linking all her social media and YouTube channel down in the description box. So don't forget to check her channel out too, and please show us some love.
Yeah.
She's my best friend.
And
And
we'll see you in the
Next video. Bye bye.